started to wonder, and I wondered, which led me to wonder. I had to wonder. I started to wonder. I couldn't help but wonder. Couldn't help but wonder. I couldn't help but wonder.
OOTD, before someone walks into the bathroom, I'm wearing my Motel Rocks jeans. Watching Sex and the City on this man's projector while he is at the gym. And my flight got canceled, so I was supposed to be going home tonight, but I'm probably not going home until Tuesday now. He just took my clothes to the laundromat to get them washed for me because I'm out of clothes. So that's what's going on with me. Last meal in New York, mac and cheese, Caesar salad, Bloody Mary. Hey y'all. I'm having my pre-gym Filet-O-Fish. I'm in the McDonald's parking lot. Almost just had to cuss the lady at the fucking drive-thru out, but we're gonna focus on positivity. I only got on this light ass jacket. It's cold outside. I don't know. I thought it was, the high today was like 56 or something like that. I don't know why I thought that was gonna be like I could just wear a jacket, but I guess maybe because it's raining. Girl, I don't know. I'm hungry. I wouldn't be hungry if the ground turkey that I bought the other day wasn't a weird texture. I made a pound of ground turkey with taco seasoning. And I tried to eat it 2 separate times, but the texture is just weird. I've been eating ground turkey my whole life. Like, something about that ground turkey is off. Anyways, I just wanted to chat with y'all real quick before I go to the gym. I'm trying to like wrap up everything I need to do early tonight so I can go to bed by like 10. It's currently 6 o'clock. I have to go into the office tomorrow because it's the last day of the month, last work day of the month, and I have to go into the office at least once a month. And I realized I didn't go yet, so I'm gonna go before they say something to me. Successfully uploaded a weekly vlog today. Shout out to me. Hope y'all enjoy it. It took a lot because I need to buy external storage is really the main point, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my Filet-O-Fish and I'll talk to y'all girls later. So I'm gonna make some, well not make, but I'm gonna have some salmon with the sweet potatoes. So funny enough, I think I told y'all before, I really like the Trader Joe's smoked canned salmon. It is farm raised. It's recently come to my attention that farm raised salmon is really bad. And somebody's constantly in my ear telling me not to eat it. So long story short, in my Valentine's Day bag of gifts, these 2 cans of salmon were in there because apparently these are better options than the farm raised salmon. Apparently farm raised salmon is really bad. So I think tonight we're gonna try this one, the wild Alaskan pink salmon. But like I was telling him, these ones are not smoked like the ones I like. That makes a big difference. This is dinner. Okay, bear with me because I see maybe it looks kind of crazy. So the potato's not burnt, it's just the sugar. It like kind of cooks it, it like crisps it. But if you see, like the potato is not actually burnt, it's just the sugar on top. And then I have the canned salmon with some hot sauce and everything, bagel seasoning, and then just some steamed broccoli. We'll try the salmon on camera. Hold on. Good morning, you guys. I am just waking up. It is 6:52. I was supposed to wake up at like 5:45. So I need to leave the house in like 30 minutes. And as you can see, I'm not ready. But I wanted to check in and say hi and take my supplements with you guys. We have our B12 and our biotin. Biotin. Okay, now I need to get ready. OMG, y'all. OMG. Last time we were speaking, it was like 7 o'clock in the morning, right? That's AM. It's 2:10 AM. I'm just getting back to my house. That means I was away from my home for 19 hours. I went straight from one job to the other job, and I just got off a little while ago. I literally ate my chicken wings in the car on the way home. We're about to lay down and go to sleep. I'm fucking tired. I'm actually gonna edit a little bit of this vlog and then we're gonna lay down and go to sleep. And tomorrow is where we really kick things off, even though tomorrow is Saturday. I'm off Saturday and Sunday, but we're going out tomorrow. We're going out with the girls. It's me and Shelby. Y'all know how we get down. So tomorrow's gonna be a very fun and eventful day. So we need to get some rest. Let's take an edible. Wait, we can't forget to put the little lock on the door. Isn't that right, Stinky? We can't forget to secure the household. That'll do it. I think I showed y'all earlier in the vlog, but... And you're supposed to take a third of a gummy, but... that shit don't be doing nothing for me, so I'll be taking a whole one. Because I never gave a fuck. Cheers.
Cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smart, so you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hooks.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with Coral Reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eat Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
How to Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
You guys, hold on, I gotta fix y'all. Okay, we're back in business. I don't think I've said hi yet today. I was on the phone this morning. Happy Saturday. Hope everyone's having a good day. It is like almost 3:30. Why is it randomly 70 degrees outside? Like, it's literally like 70 degrees and sunny. I'm driving with the windows down. Everyone's wearing short sleeves and people are eating outside. People have on tank tops. What's happening? Like, I mean, I'm not gonna complain. We're going out tonight, so it's great that the weather is a little bit warmer. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty excited. Are you guys feeling excited? Anyways, we are about to go to the store. Guess what we need to get? If you watch frequently enough, I'm sure you could guess. We need cat food. I'm also gonna get some rice so I can go home and cook instead of eating out, because I've been eating out enough lately. So I'm trying to turn out onto the main road. Anyways, yeah, girl, we're going to the store. The tequila we got because the bottle's cute. Oh, that's all I needed. That right there. That right there was it. We're gonna have a real good time. Absolutely not. No. I love you, girl. We're just going one way.
I got the chronic by the tree.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Coming through the voicemails that you left me, telling me what I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited, and I can't even lie to you. I swear these days, all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All you hear me with is come and see me.
You guys, I have to fix my under eye. Like, no matter what I do, it's just creasing. Ugh. That's a little bit better, right? Ugh. My favorite outfit is a see-through romper. Okay, I think that's a little bit better.
Never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wonder how I got my jiffy up. Grip so damn big, I need a diaper and a sippy cup. Someone tells Zendaya she my favorite, and she hit me up. Ha 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 ha, when I double park the laugh. That right ta ta ta, bitch, I'm stepping on the gas. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. White that silly green, bitch, I'm really hitting. You better put them palms together, bitch, I really sing. Know me and crack don't share daddies, but we really twins. If she ain't got her shit together, she ain't getting in. See the bed top bunker, the boys got thumpers. I'm a bona fide face seat box muncher. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Yo. Never in the Hamptons, dick riding in the white fit. Never raise a hand and strap on him like a dyke bitch. This dark work like night shift. I'm thunder, I light shit. I flood this, I flood that. I swim good, I'm fight, I'm fit. 18. Why you acting hard? I'm like, David, please.
I'm not with that shit, bro.
That's why I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums.
Mind you, this is last night's makeup. Yeah. We lost a soldier. We did lose a soldier. Okay, I had to take a quick break because my DoorDash just came. I got the catfish entree with mac and cheese. Yeah. And collard greens. And they put hot sauce packets in the bag because they know what it is. And this is the catfish with cornbread. Hell yeah. Step 3, this is a pan-oxal something Acme bar. I love you. I'll talk to you later. You guys, OMG. As you can see, or as you can probably guess, it's the next day. I'm back home. I drove home this morning. It's like almost 2 right now. I've been home for like an hour and a half. We got some food. I got some fried catfish, mac and cheese, collard greens. I'm about to eat that. And I'm about to edit y'all right now. This video that you're watching, I'm about to edit it. I really just came out here to say, I'm sorry, y'all. I barely recorded. Big Mama, you know, Big Mama needed some time. This is the greed that they talk about in the Bible. Get out of my bag. Cut it out, buddy. Anyways, I'm about to watch Jurassic Park, the one that came out in 2018. I'm about to eat my food. I'm about to edit y'all. We're gonna chop it up later. Good morning. I wanted to show you guys my current smoothie fixation. So these are going to be your ingredients. I get a little mini one of these Haagen-Dazs, the strawberry Haagen-Dazs, just because I can just use the whole thing. But I mean, obviously you could get the regular size. So one of these, like 1/3 to 1/2 of this. This is like my favorite brand of protein shakes. This is their max protein one. So I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the bottle's pretty freaking big. But yeah, I'll do like 1/2 of that, a spoonful of peanut butter, and a tablespoon of olive oil. This is not like a healthy, I mean, not that it's unhealthy. What I should say is, this is not if you're like trying to cut calories or lose weight. This is more so if you're trying to get your calories in, get your protein in an effective way. So ice cream in. Hey y'all, so I just got out the shower. It is Wednesday night. Y'all are getting this vlog on Sunday for reference. I just got out of the shower. I'm about to do my hair. I just washed my hair. I work for the next 3 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday at my part-time. So I just figured I'll wash my hair tonight so that it could be fresh for work, because you make more money when you look good. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I haven't really talked to y'all in the past couple of days. Like, I haven't picked up the camera, I think, since maybe Sunday or Monday. I don't know if I talked to y'all since Sunday. I just haven't really been in the mood to vlog. I'm just being real. So like I said, I work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, bartending Thursday, and I'm gonna waitress Friday and Saturday. But for the past 2 weeks, I've only worked one day. I worked one day each week. So this is gonna be like my first week back to, you know, working my regular schedule of multiple days. So yeah, I'm excited to get back to the money. I will say that. I'm looking forward to it. It's also supposed to be like randomly 80 degrees this weekend. And after how like snowy and cold it's been on the East Coast, like I know people are gonna be outside. So I am looking forward to that because it should be busy. And busy means money because I work somewhere that has automatic gratuity. But another thing I wanted to talk about was like, I feel like February, like for some reason in February, I felt like I was really just like going through the motions. Like, y'all ever feel like, well, maybe this is kind of a unique thing. I'm the type of person that's like always executing a plan. Like I'm always in the middle of executing the next step in my life. Like I'm very conscious about like what I'm doing next, where I'm going, how I want things to go. I don't know if that's an everybody thing. But February just felt like so disconnected. I felt like I was really just going through the emotions, but I didn't feel really like connected to like the end goal. Do y'all get what I'm saying? I feel like it's making sense, but maybe not everybody will be able to relate. But my point is like this past week, I felt like I'm really back to like being a little more not locked in and like not in a haze. Like I don't know how to describe it. February felt like being in like the clouds. Like I can't see, you know, like I don't know what's going on. But the past few days or like this week so far, I've been like really productive. I've been getting shit done. Or like sometimes I can be like avoidant if something I need to do makes me anxious, which makes no sense. And I'm always telling myself like, Melise, the best motto is to just get things out of the way. Like just face the music. If something makes you anxious, the best thing you can do is get it out of the way so it can't continue to make you anxious. You just gotta like face it, right? So yeah, I've been looking at apartments. You guys, in the next couple of weeks, we're gonna be booking a flight. Well, not booking a flight. We're gonna be taking a flight to go look at apartments out of state. We've been talking about this for it feels like forever, and now I literally move at the end of May. It's literally time to go look at apartments. Are you shitting me? So yeah, y'all, like the next, I don't know if it's gonna be the next vlog or the vlog after, we're gonna be looking at apartments. And I don't know if any of these apartments we're gonna look at are apartments I'm actually considering, or if I'm just gonna go and look and see, like, just get a feel for what's available within my price range. I've been looking at places. I haven't picked out the units that I wanna go see in a couple weeks just because some of that stuff might not be available. I'll probably book actual, like viewings like the week before or something like that. But yeah, it's getting crazy. Life is getting crazy. Only thing I'm kind of like anxious about is having to leave my part-time job, just because it's become like such a source of income and freedom, and like genuinely kind of changed my tax bracket. If it wasn't for this job, I wouldn't have the money on paper to be able to move. I wouldn't have the savings to be able to move. So this job has really changed a lot for me. I'm hesitant to leave it, but I feel like I really have to trust the universe to reward me for taking a chance and to replace it. Not just replace it with something, but to replace it with something better, right? Because like before I got this job, I was applying in like little bitty ass hourly retail positions, and had I gotten one of those jobs, I would have never made the money that I've made in the last few months. Like, you know what I mean? So I say all that to say, like, I'm just trying to keep, I don't want to pop a titty. I say all that to say, I'm just trying to keep the faith and trust the process. Like, give me a thumbs up if you feel me.